Hello guys, if you are interested to know on how I style this my daughter natural hair without any extension, so please watch this video till the end. First, I apply olive oil on her hair to make the hair soft because olive oil, this particular one, it makes hair look very soft. So after doing that, I'm going to cut the hair just like I'm writing C. So because this is the way I'm going to get the style. So this is how I cut the hair. So after this now, then I will cut one line from the front, which is from the other side. So this is how I'm going to start weaving it to because I'm going to weave the first side first, which is the side that is going to the front. So just see the way I'm doing it. So after maintaining the parts, and this is how I just take the cornrow. And the thing is, I'm not adding anything to her hair. I'm not adding either wool or extension. I decided to just make a natural hair this time. So this line I cut now, which is this first part I cut now, is to just part the hair, and that's why I started from the beginning till the end from the other side. So after I cut this one, so this is the only one I'm going to cut this way. The other one I'm going to be doing it like zigzag. So in case you don't understand the way I'm explaining it, just watch and see how I'm doing it. Okay, this is how I cut inside. So I'm going to drop it from the other side, which is the side I picked, that first one. Then when I want to cut the other one, I will also cut it like past the other one a little, cut it just the same way. This is how I'm going to do it until the hair is done. Here is the cutting I was talking about, because before you have to cut the other one, don't worry, the next one I'm going to show you how to cut it. So before you cut the other one, you put your hand inside a little, so to give you that line, which is that cutting. So but at the end, I'm going to end all the weaving, which is this side, in a particular place, which is the same side. So this will give this way. This is how I got this round part. So this is how you put the comb. You start from the almost the middle of the other one, and the cutting, like when you are doing the cutting. So this way it will give you the style. So this is how I do the cutting. This I'm going to continue until that part is done. This hair is very easy. It's just a simple hairstyle.
But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired of
So the gel I'm using is China Jam. This type I bought is just a new type that I decided to give a try, and trust me guys, I don't like it. I don't like this particular one I bought, and I think the which is the container is black, you know, yeah, just black, not like the other one that is yellow, a bit orange, but this one is black. It's not that good. The other one is better. So I saw this one online, decided to give it a try, but I really don't like the outcome. I don't like the result at all. It's not good. So after this, I'm not getting that same type again. So guys, this is how I end this hairstyle here. So, and yeah, I think anybody can just do this cutting. It's very easy. So I decided to just make a natural hair this time, no extension, just a natural hair and bead. So, you know, it's not every time I need to be adding some things to our hair. So this way it also help their hair, like just give it a break. So this is how I end everything here. So because when I do the back now, that's how everything will go around and bring out that beauty. The hair is so beautiful, and she have a very lovely hair, and her hair is full, and the texture of her hair is so perfect for me. When I'm making the hair, it's always sweeting me. So this place now, the way I start this beginning now, this is how I'm going to finish it from beginning till the end. So I'm just going to continue the cutting until I am done. You see guys, it's so easy. If you watched it this time, that means you are enjoying this video. Please, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do subscribe for more videos. And to our returning subscriber, we also thank you for your support. God bless you all, both our new and our old subscribers.
There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. How I wish that you were here to give me everything I want, but I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. I wish that you were here. 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 There's not a single day that passes, not even 1 minute can end up. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I yearn for the times you held me in your arms. Whoa. I wish that you were here to give me everything I want, but I know that life's unfair and we can't always have it all. I wish that you were here. 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 I wish that you were here.
So because of the way I ended it here, so after I beat this hair, it's gonna look as if I didn't even start any one from there. So everything is going to blend together. This is how I want the style, and that's how I make sure it ends this way. Like if I didn't do it that way, it will look as if it's back and front. You know that hairstyle we used to do way back in school, like we just cut it, do some back and do the other ones front. So this one is a bit different. So here is the bead I'm going to use. I'm going to use 3 color, and I'm going to be using rubber band to hold the the hair to the last bead. So this is how I do it. After I use the crochet pin to put the bead, then I use the tip to round the last one. Then I will use the color of that bead, which is, if the color is pink, I will use the rubber band pink to hold it, because I have this rubber band multicolor rubber band so that I'm using. So see, this is how it is, so that the rubber band close to the hair, you can't differentiate it. So if the last one I'm using now is yellow, then I'm going to use yellow rubber band to hold the hair there. Yeah, this how simple this hairstyle just look. And it was this hairstyle is stress free. There's no stress, both me making it and both she that are making the hair for, like, before she know it, we were done. Although I do hair, I'm fast while making hair though. But you know, with kids, they always want to play, because they want to play and not that they don't have this patience. All right guys, this is the end of our video today, and I hope to see you guys in our next video. Thanks for watching.